We got Loki, we got Zoe, we got Jasper. What y'all know about these camo Crocs? Freshly back from vacation in Denver, Colorado, Keystone, Breckenridge. We went snowboarding, took the wife, met up with my friend and his lady. Was a great time. Kind of got a concussion snowboarding. It happened, so if I'm a little slower today than normal, it is what it is. Roll cage has been installed, Studio RSR. We went with the white, I'll show you that in a second. The Victory gunner, fresh oil change. Need to get the tag updated tomorrow so we can ride this thing legally. Bmw S1000, had to take a break from this beast because I was being bad on back roads and I don't need to take an L, get hit by somebody. That would not be good. The thing we've been seeing the most on the channel lately because I've been addicted, the ZL1. Look at the cage, Studio RSR. We did the rear seat delete also. Just looks so clean. Huge shout out to Matt. He helped me install it. Basically did practically all of it. So huge shout out to him. I'll put his channel down below. Grabbed another carbon piece to finish off that middle there. Let me see. I thought it was a replacement piece, but it happened to be just like an overlay. It's like 170 bucks, but once you set it on there, it kind of does the job. There you go. That's going to give it a clean look. I'm actually going to put that on today, so I'm going to leave it there so I remember. The video looks a little bit different today. I'm on the iPhone. The GoPro is actually in the lady's car. I didn't want to go bug her to go grab it, so looks like we're rocking on the iPhone today. So my apologies if it sucks. This is just kind of like an update video, what we're going to do this season. What I tried to do in the previous years is everyone kind of loves different vehicles. Some of you may be here for the ZL1. Some may love the gunner. Some may love the BMW S1000. So what we're gonna do is every video, we're gonna switch vehicles. So comment down which one you want it to start it off. I'm gonna film it tomorrow, whether you want Camaro ZL1 to be the first video in the cycle, the Victory gunner, or the BMW S1000. The one with the most likes and comments, that's what we're gonna run with. This thing's been on the channel for so many years, so that would be awesome if you guys want the gunner to lead it off. But we actually have some track days coming up for the ZL1. We got March 15th, Charlotte Roval, and then we also have, I want to say the 27th at CMP. That's on a Sunday. So if you guys are local and want to bring out your cars, I will be there. This thing, let me start up the gunner for you guys. I haven't started this thing on the channel in a minute. Like I said, fresh oil change. Let's see, she should be good. She should like me today. I told you she'd be fine. My neighbors already hate me, so it'll be fine. Man, I love this bike. All right, let's do the S1000s next. I guess I'm just gonna start them up for you guys. I need to let them idle to temp anyways. That's how you start the season off, man. Give them a nice little wipe down, a good little clean. Make sure their fluids are all good. Tire pressure. This one wants an oil change, so we'll be running up to Charlotte. Let them do all the work on this thing. That is a unit, man. It is so loud. All that carbon. The neighbors too mad. This is definitely the vehicle that'll do it. Same with this thing. This thing is loud as mess. Damn NASCAR. Speaking of NASCAR, under the lights at the Charlotte Roval, that's going to be so sick, man. But I'm really going to try to be consistent this year. Guys, thank you for the support. I really want to get at it. I work too hard at work to not enjoy my time off and work on YouTube. I really want to be working for myself this year. So make sure you guys show some support. I'll see you guys soon. Pick which vehicle you want for the video. Start us off. Take it easy. Kill Cam out.